Welcome to Blue Cross Blue Shield of Arizona, or AZ Blue. Today, let's learn about a PPO. That's short for Preferred Provider Organization. PPOs are some of the most flexible health plans available. So, what are some of the advantages of a PPO? First, with a PPO health plan, you can see any provider you like, whether they are in your plan's network or out of network. Second, you don't need to get a referral to see a specialist. Third, PPO plans usually come with more comprehensive coverage and larger networks than other plans. Fourth, our PPOs also come with access to health care out of state with the Blue Card network when traveling or vacationing. But there is one thing to keep in mind. While you are free to see any provider you like, if you do choose to get care from an out-of-network provider, you may end up paying a higher cost. Make sure to check your plan's benefits to see what's covered and how much you'll pay for care with both in-network and out-of-network providers. For more information about how to use your plan, call the number on the back of your member ID card or visit azblue.com.